Beachin With The Boones, and we're at one of the famous art bars in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We heard this is good for burgers, sushi, and drinks. Let's go check them out.
What's happening, everybody? Today was such a nice day, we decided to get lunch at the art bar on Ocean Boulevard. This was our first time here, but it definitely will not be our last. The first thing you'll notice as you walk in is all the beautiful paintings lined on the wall. They are located at 706 North Ocean Boulevard, Myrtle Beach, between the famous Boardwalk and the popular Myrtle Beach Boulevard. They support local artists, and in an effort to further expose the great art culture in Myrtle Beach, they've dedicated a portion of their restaurant to local art guilds. This allows the artists to advertise, display, and sell their works of art for free. So there's no charge to any artist for membership to display or sell any work of art, ever. We were there just before opening and decided to get a seat on the back deck. This way we can look out over the boardwalk at the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. The art bar can also be accessed from the boardwalk as well, if you're walking from that side.
Colada. Is that a frozen drink? Yeah.
I think it's like a pina colada.
Oh, do you? I think I'm going to try that. The Carolina Colada has Caribbean coconut rum, 6 and 20, whatever that is, and Carolina cream and pineapple juice, which is my favorite. Let's try it.
And I'll just get a beer.
All right, I guess I'm going to take the Carolina Colada. I guess, is that what it's called?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
What's your name?
Zeta.
Hey, Zeta.
Oh, that's a cool name.
Thank you.
They have a full nitrogen infused bar. Sounds like an explosive combination, but we decided to stick to the colada.
The Carolina Colada, but this time with mango.
They say that their burgers are some of the best on the boulevard. We're going to find out. I think I might get the art burger, since we are at the art bar. Not only does this restaurant specialize in cocktails, but they're also known for their traditional Japanese quality ingredients and methods, infused with a fresh new spin. They serve up sushi dishes and traditional rolls to more modern rolls like a fried chicken roll. And if it's from the land, their burgers go beyond what one would typically expect. Ranging from falafel, black bean, and tuna to chicken, turkey, and the typical beef burger. And she got the large salad.
All right.
All right.
What you got, beatbox?
The art burger. Yummy, yummy. Probably have stuff all over my mouth.
No, you're good. Let's see. Take a look.
So our tab ended up being right over $50. Open 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Sunday. So come check out the great food or what a nitrogen-infused cocktail is like at the Art Burger and Sushi Bar.
So whenever you're in the Myrtle Beach area and you're looking for a good burger place and sushi, the Art Bar is where you want to be. As always, keep beaching.